Welcome to SimplySportBikes.com. This 650 V-Star Yamaha is a great looking bike. It's got a couple of accessories on it, including the floorboards there. Very, very nice bike all the way around. Low miles too, only 4,600. It's been completely inspected, so you know when you pick it up, it's all good to go. Very clean all the way around. Does not look like it has any major damage. Those accessories I was talking about, you can also see we have here hard chrome exhaust. Very, very nice looking exhaust. As we walk around the rest of the bike, you can see, as I said, it's a very clean bike. Very nice, runs well, sounds great. Let's start it up and see what it sounds like. Maybe give it a little choke. As I said, great sounding exhaust, very nice bike. SimplySportBikes.com.